When a control board might need replacement during troubleshooting is when every other electrical and component check has been exhausted and the system still does not respond. Start by confirming power at the correct terminals and measuring the control voltage with a reliable meter set to the proper range, because many apparent failures are simply low or missing control voltage. Verify the thermostat is bypassed, and a known good 12-volt or 24-volt source energizes the control input so you can isolate the board from peripheral devices. Inspect all wiring for burnt insulation, loose terminals, and corrosion, and wiggle connections while monitoring for intermittent changes, since vibration failures show up this way. Consult the manufacturer's service manual for diagnostic lead codes and test points, and follow the step-by-step checks they publish before assuming the board is bad. If relays or solid-state outputs are suspected, use a bench supply or jumper to actuate each output one at a time while watching the attached loads to confirm whether the board is driving outputs correctly. Document each test and result so you do not repeat steps, and so the replacement board, if required, is configured with the exact original wiring and any stored settings. 3 common mistakes are replacing the control board too early without verifying supply voltages and signal continuity, which wastes parts and can mask root causes. Instead, confirm 24-volt and other expected voltages. Jumper inputs to prove the board does not respond, and use the manufacturer diagnostics. Another mistake is swapping the board without copying stored settings, time delays, and dip switch positions, so record all parameters and photos before removal so the replacement behaves the same. A third mistake is failing to check related components like fuses, transformers, and protective devices that can fail intermittently. Test the transformer under load and inspect fuses for thermal cycling and replace any marginal parts. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and post project details so contractors can discover work that matches their skills. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange experience, troubleshooting tips, and realistic expectations.